Hey guys, welcome back. This week we have been talking all about taking apart and adding to. So today we're going to take apart and actually answer the questions using pictures. Alright, so let's take a look. John's mom has 8 slices of pizza. John ate 3. How many pieces are left? If you draw the picture, you would draw 8 slices of pizza, and then you would cross off 3. How many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces of pizza left. Okay. Maria has 5 cupcakes. She ate 2. How many are left? If she had 5 and then she ate 2, how many are left? So I would cross off 2 of my cupcakes that I drew. There are 3 cupcakes left. Alright, Sandy had 7 chocolate bars. She ate 5 of them. How many are left? Let's cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many chocolate bars are left? That's right, there are 2 chocolate bars. So you can do this using your fingers like we've been doing. You can draw pictures, or you can use your memory to see if you can do it in your head. Alright, Sam has 8 hot dogs, but he gives 3 of them to his sister. How many hot dogs does Sam have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. We took away 3 hot dogs. That's right, Sam has 5 hot dogs left. So let's cross off the 3 hot dogs that he gave to his sister, and he has 3. Now it's your turn. I want you to show me how you figured out how many hot dogs Sam has. How did you do it? Did you cross them off? Did you use your fingers? Did you do it in your head? Show me a video on how you would show how many hot dogs Sam has left.